In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update email account settings in Outlook. Whether you've updated your password, need to tweak your sync, or your email provider changed server details, this walkthrough will show you exactly where to go and what each option means so you can get back to a smooth inbox. First, open Outlook and head to the File tab in the top left corner. This takes you to the Account Management area where all your mail settings live. Next, choose Account Settings, and then click Account Settings again from the drop-down. You'll land on the Email tab, which lists all the accounts connected to Outlook. Select the account you want to update. From here, you'll see several options, and which one you pick depends on what you need to change. If you want to update the friendly name that appears in Outlook, or control how much mail is stored on your device, choose Account Name Sync Settings. The friendly name is just a label that helps you recognize the account at a glance. The sync setting determines how much of your mailbox Outlook keeps offline. If you're tight on storage or don't need your entire history locally, move the slider to a shorter time range. If you often search old messages, extend it for more history. Outlook will resync based on your choice. If your password changed, or your provider gave you new server details, choose Server Settings. This is where you can update the incoming and outgoing server names and ports, and your password. IMAP and POP are for receiving mail. IMAP keeps your mailbox sync across devices, while POP downloads mail to one device. SMTP is for sending mail. Make sure the server names and port numbers match what your email provider recommends, and if your provider requires authentication for sending, ensure that's enabled. Use your most current password here, don't share it, and avoid entering it where it doesn't belong. For advanced security and connection options, select Change Mailbox Sync Settings. This is where you can adjust encryption, such as SSL or TLS, which helps protect your connection. Many providers require SSL, so if messages aren't syncing or sending, verifying this setting often solves it. When you're done making changes, select Next, then Done, and finally close the window. Outlook will apply the updates and, if needed, resync your mail. Give it a moment, especially after big changes like server names or sync length adjustments. That's it. Thanks for watching.